Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. I want to know. So as you can see, I've got my regular background up again for a bit. I took the green screen down. I'm still learning how to use it, and I've gotten mixed reviews from you guys. The most common thing I'm hearing is that with the green screen, the video quality itself is lower. So, gonna go back to this for a bit. Let me know what you think. Now, oh yeah, by the way, I'm Jessica. And I'm unboxing, get my hair cut there, my AIA Beauty Bundle, the American Influencer. And I believe this is like $34. Everything's down in my description box, along with a link, discount code, all of that good stuff for you to scoop this up for yourself. Now, this does come every other month. So it is not a monthly subscription. It comes bi-monthly. And in each box, we usually get a box curated by a different beauty influencer or brand, beauty brand, stuff like that. Now, the June box, y'all, I am over the moon about this one. It is always a great deal getting this box. I've been getting it probably since they first started. I want to say like a year and a half ago. So I've been getting it for a while, and I absolutely love it. Love it, love it. When you open it up, this is what she looks like. And it says, be strong, be beautiful, be you. And then it says AIAawards.com. And here is the adorable card. And then look, we get all pharmacy products this month. Yes, oh my God. I'm so excited. I love pharmacy products. I really do. Okay, we're going to dive in. I'll show you everything that we get in this month's box. And I've got to tell you, you still have time to get this. And use my discount code so you can get it at a discount. Now, I'm going to go over the products, got all the prices, and then at the end, I'll let you know the total value of this box, along with the total savings that you get by getting this subscription specifically in lieu of purchasing these products individually retail. So make sure you stay to the end for all that good info. Now, the first thing in here are these two masks. And these are the Hydrating Coconut Gel Sheet Masks with hyaluronic acid. And as you saw, we get two of those masks, and they retail for $12 each. These masks are supercharged to deliver intense moisture with coconut water. These face masks promote a fresh, more radiant, healthy looking glow in just 15 minutes. Each mask is formulated with anti-aging hyaluronic acid and natural cucumber extract to soothe dry skin. Okay, the next thing we get is the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. And I have gotten this in another box, but it was a smaller one. This is a larger size. And this one retails for $45. And it's a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. It delivers instant radiance to the eye area. And then we get the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. I am so excited for this one. I have used this before, and honestly, y'all, you know what this reminds me of? The Tatcha water cream. Yeah. Like, it works that well. And I love Tatcha stuff. I just can't afford it. Okay, the Daily Greens retails for $38. And it's an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers a lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of, phytonutrients. Okay, it wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. Known to help clear pores and reduce shine. And because my oily skin, I definitely need creams like that, that are oil-free, stuff like that. So definitely super excited about that one. And then we get this guy. And it's the Pharmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. Another one I'm so excited for. I have not tried this one. This one retails for $28. And it's a soap-free, oil-free, and pH-balanced foaming face cleanser that cleans pores and draws out dirt, oil, and impurities without overstripping the skin. And then, last but not least, is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. And I have gotten this before in one of my boxes. And y'all, this stuff is amazing. It really gets rid of all your makeup and gook. Everything. It works so good. Okay, this one retails for $22. And it's their best-selling, award-winning makeup remover and face cleanser in one that instantly melts virtually all makeup, removes impurities, and gently cleanses, leaving skin hydrated and silky smooth. Yeah. So, yeah, I am just over the moon for this box. I love everything in it. I will use everything in it. Even the face masks, which I don't normally use sheet masks, but yeah, I gotta tell ya, these babies I'm gonna use. So, what's the total value? Well, the total value of this box is $157 for a box that's under $35, right? You can't go wrong. In addition to that, the total savings by getting this box in lieu of purchasing these items individually at retail, it's a 78% savings. That's really good. So you're getting 78% off all of these products by getting this box. So that is it. If you have not scooped up this box in subscription for yourself, I highly recommend it. I do have other videos if you want to go check those out to see if some of my other unboxings and some of the other products we've gotten. I do have an actual playlist that is AIA Beauty Bundle. So you can find them all right in there and pretty much go back like a year and See how funny I was recording a year ago. Thank you guys so much for coming to hang out with me for just a little bit during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you so much. And if you haven't done so already, please smash the subscribe button. I would appreciate it so much. It does help my channel out, and it gives me the ability to continue bringing you content like this, along with the spoilers I do, the giveaways, and the notifications and shorts of upcoming sales, deals, discounts, mystery boxes, and all that good stuff. Okay. Love you bunches. I'll talk to you soon, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.